If you want to set up backtap gestures on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you can do is you can go to the Galaxy Store, and in here we can search for an app that is called Good Lock. And this is the app that we are looking for. You want to install this app on your phone and then open it once you can. And then inside this app, we can find a bunch of different plugins that unlock access to many different customization options or provide some features that are not available by default. And in this case, we need to find the Registar plugin. So we're going to use this arrow on the right side to download and install the plugin. And once it is available, you should be able to find it at the top of this list. And let's open it. And there we go. And in here, we need to grant the permission to receive notifications from this app. And in here, we can find the backtap action option. So let's choose this. We can turn it on. And in here, we have the double tap and triple tap gesture. So we can choose for both of them what you want to do, what should happen when you double tap the back of the phone, or what should happen when you triple tap the back of the phone. So let's say in my case, I'm just going to choose to take a screenshot. Of course, you can even choose to open a specific app. And now let's see if it is going to work. I'm going to double tap the back of the phone, and let's see if it's going to work. So now I'm double tapping, and there we go. Now it actually works. So it works quite well if you just know where to tap. Let's see if now I can actually tap on it. I'm not entirely sure where exactly I need to tap, but right now I just tapped here. So let's see if I can do this one more time. Yes, it does work. So you can try to tap here on this upper right corner of this back panel, and hopefully this is how we can easily capture screenshots or just do anything else that you select from that list of options. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.